In the last video, we just did some very basic descriptives and we did for a categorical variable country. Now, if you see here, this ruler, this is continuous variable. So you cannot have box plots or histogram or QQ plots for country. Even if you keep clicking it, it won't give you an output, just like so you know. Now, let's say we want something else as well. Let's say we've got this variable CSR and it's a continuous variable. So we can have the means, we want skewness and kurtosis. Let's remove country for now. And we want standard deviation, variance, range. We want normality tests as well. So we'll do that in another video. So to explain the concept of normality as well. And we can have this plot here, let's say histogram. And we can have QQ plots as well. Let's remove box plots and just have histogram. So here it is, your histogram for a continuous variable. Then we see it is a negatively skewed variable. So even if we do the Shapiro-Wilk test, and we'll see that the value is significant, so the data is non-normal. So we obviously, for now, if you see the skewness and kurtosis, so the kurtosis is obviously 2 and the skewness is, so it's within the range of plus minus 2. So this is how you can do descriptives for a continuous variable. So let's say we are interested in doing some descriptives for 3 or 4 variables like a construct. So this is a construct having 8 variables, and here it is. So you've got frequencies for each of the item in the construct, and you can have the whole descriptives as well with the mean, mode, and everything that you want. Okay, we do not need the mode. It's very easy to use software. The thing I like about it is that you can easily export or copy this whole in a well formatted manner into your Word document, which is slightly difficult in SPSS. So you've got here all your options and you get output right here. You do not have to just like go around the menus and do things. Obviously SPSS has got its own advantages. I'm not like saying that SPSS is not advantageous or it's of no use. Obviously it is much more advanced, but for basics, for your own MS or even PhD level basic analysis, t-tests, ANOVAs, regressions, maybe confirmatory factor analysis, not structural equation modeling. This software won't do structural equation modeling for you. For mediation moderation, which we are going to look into later. If you want to delete all this, what you can do is just right click on it, select all, and remove. And this is how it is removed. So let's say we go for back to descriptives and just play around with it and see how you can use different descriptives in here. So this is how you can use descriptive statistics, remove items, and you can have quartile values as well. Let's say I want quartiles for CSR and click this. If you're doing fuzzy sets, obviously this is very advantageous. So here is 25th quartile score, 50 and 75. So this is how you can use Jamovi descriptives for different kind of descriptive analysis that you want. You just need to be sure what you want, and obviously the basic descriptive statistics is already there with the frequency tables as well. For instance, you want uh, age, or let's say we want gender. So we've got frequency tables, and here it is, the frequency tables for gender. Now let's see, we want to split this gender by the country from which the data was taken. Now if you see this here, you can only have the categorical variable to split the variables. So in this case, let's add country here, and what you get is this. So your data is now split by country. So sample size, the missing values, the mean, median, minimum, maximum, 25, 50, 75 percentile, everything by country. And same goes here for frequencies. So this is a very useful tool, a very useful option that one can utilize if they've got categories in the data and they want to compare the categories as well. Thank you very much.